Go to this website store.steampowered.com. This is the official Steam website. Now create a brand new account. Click on sign in. From the sign in page, scroll down and click on create an account, and you directly jump into Steam sign up page. Enter here the email address to create a brand new account. Retype the email address to confirm and select your country. Then check this option, I'm a human, and then check this option and click on continue. And now we have to verify our email address. So go to your Gmail and you get a new email from Steam. Open the verification mail and click on verify my email address. And we can see my email successfully verified. Now go back to sign up page, and here write your Steam account name. Write here your name and create a strong password for your Steam account. Retype the password and click on done. And make sure to add a unique name. So as you can see, this name is available. So I'm clicking on done. And we can see my Steam account is now creating. Once done, you will successfully logged into your Steam account. And that's how you can actually create a Steam account and log in.